The Odyssey uses advanced computer vision to recognize texts, such as books, newspapers, magazines, documents, packaging and others, using OCR to help you read. Whether you're blind or low vision, the Odyssey is the perfect companion for all your reading needs. Real human voices read text back to you in English, Spanish, or French.
At that word, Thomas's breath caught in his throat like a mote of dust. It brought back too many memories of the glade.
With its compact and lightweight form factor, the Odyssey can handle small or large documents with ease. It uses artificial intelligence to analyze your document and read it in a comprehensible fashion. Listen using the built-in speaker or Bluetooth headphones. Ask us why the Odyssey is the right device for you. Learn more at humanware.com.